The last file of the basic sort of displaying words part of the anagram section of videos is the display words page. So this is, what I've done is taken the code that's basically from the interword.html page, and we're going to just reuse that. So obviously this one, I want to display words. The goal of this page is to basically create a list of the words that have been entered into the database. Obviously the step from here would be to actually create the anagrams. So what we have is we still need the two buttons at the top of the page. This time, instead of the add word, we're going to use one of the different ones. So this one is, called it guess word, so I'm just going to use that. So I've got that linked up. And delete the information that's in it. So we've got our div for the guessing word. What we need is a few other extra bits. And so then we add a little bit of text that we want to use, and now we're going to get into our PHP. So what we need to do, obviously need to add the includes and the closes. So MySQL connect, MySQL close. Okay, then we need to basically set up the connection. This is very similar to like what we just had before in the last example, so I'm just going to copy and paste these connections. So basically sets up a connection, runs it through and joins it in. Then the next part, what we need to do, create the query, this time so we've got the connection created. We're going to select just the word from words, and then basically we've got the result that's going to be stored, and the final part is we're going to have a while loop which will go through all the different words in the list. So while there is a row, which is MySQL fetch array being the list of items from the result, so it gets this list of all the items. So we're going to go through each one of these one at a time. We're going to use the echo command to basically add it onto the screen. We're going to put a break in initially, dot to append something, the row, and then we're going to get the word. So we get echo the word, echo, break, and that concludes that page. So that one's entirely finished. Okay, so now we're just going to upload the files that have been done during this video. So that is the display words file. But what has also happened is, remember, we made a modification to the add word. Link it up. And we'll just wait until it uploads. And now we've got the files that have been uploaded. What we're going to do is basically head back to our main page, check it's all still there, and I'm just going to refresh this. I'm going to add in another word into the list. So notice now, because I updated the adding word option, so it doesn't come up with the error message for the add words. If it's uploaded properly, I should get the message on here. Okay, so it's telling me I've got an error on line 31. What I'm actually just going to do for this one is we're going to click on that, and we can obviously go and delete it. But I don't need to worry about that. I need to go back and actually make the change into this. So now look at line 31, MySQL close. Nothing on that one, but we're actually in the wrong file, so I need to actually go into my display words file, down to my line 31 here. Okay, I should have noticed that. It's actually got a red flag for me to tell me there was an error with the setup connection. So I'm going to go fix that, save it, and once again, back in, re-upload that file over top. So get my display words and upload it. It's now gone up over the top, so I can now go back to my show words, got my list, and all the words that have been added into the database. So this basically concludes the whole first part of the anagram maker, with creating words and then actually showing the different words that are required. It doesn't have the next step.